Good morning everyone, are you okay? Fantastic. I am so sorry if you were with me when we were doing our live session this morning and we just disappeared. You all went, I went. Don't know what happened. Okay, so hopefully we'll be back at 3 o'clock today and hopefully that won't happen again. So I'm sorry about that. So we never got to find out what the weather was doing. So if you want to have a look at and see what the weather's doing, you can always send it to me on Dojo to tell me. Okay. Right, so it is time for some maths. So first of all, we are going to count to our number of the week and then we're going to count back again. Okay, so stand up on your feet this morning. Let's move around a bit. Okay, here you are. Our number of the week is 1 more than 16? 17. Fantastic. So we are going to count to 17 like this. Are you ready? We're going to go in front and then to the side. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop. Let's go back. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic, well done. Oh, looks like a triangle fell down. Pick it up. You remember what shape it is? Well done, it's a triangle. Pop it on there. Okay, so today we are going to think about estimating. Okay, we haven't done very much about estimating. So I'll tell you what it is. When we estimate something, it means we have a guess. A guess. But there's usually something to give us a clue about how many we're going to estimate. So we could estimate what the weather is doing today because we didn't get to do that on the greeting, did we? Now, I know that it's winter, so it's unlikely to be really, really hot outside. So I'm going to estimate, I'm going to have a guess that it's cloudy outside. Okay, I've got no windows in here, so go and have a look out of your window. Am I right or am I wrong? Give me a thumbs up if I'm right, if it's cloudy. Give me a thumbs down if I'm not. If I'm not right, my estimate was wrong. Okay, so that's what estimating is. So we are going to estimate today how many things we can see. Okay, so I'm going to have a go first, and then when this video is finished, I want you to go and have a go. Okay, so I have brought along some frogs. You see them there? So all I am going to do is I'm going to estimate how many frogs I can pick up in my hand and pop down there. Okay, so I'll pick them up now with my hand. I'll pop them down. Now, without counting, I'm going to estimate how many there are there. So, let me see. I estimate that there are 7 frogs. 7 frogs. So, I'm going to put down on my whiteboard, I've written estimate, and then I've written the number for how many it is. So, my estimate is that there are 7 frogs just there. 7. Okay? Now, I'm going to count them. Pop them in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Was I right? No, I wasn't. But when we're estimating, that's fine. You're not usually right when you have an estimate. You're usually somewhere around. Okay, so there were 5. That's not too far from 7. It's fine for it not to be right. So I estimated that I could fit 7 frogs in my hand. Actually, I could just fit 5. Let's have another go. Let me estimate how many frogs I can pick up in both hands. So I could fit 5 in one hand. So my estimate is going to be that I can fit another 5 in this hand, which equals 10 altogether. But let's see, because some of the frogs are different sizes. Right, so my estimate is that there are 10. Pop them down there. Okay, so my estimate is that I could pick up 10 frogs. Let's have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh, I was so close. 11. So I'll write down 11. 1, 10, and 1 extra 1. 11. Okay, that was my estimate. Now let me have a go with pom-poms. Right, I'm going to close my eyes and I'm going to, shall I use one hand or two hands? Two, okay, right. Oh, let me have my guess first, my estimate. I'm going to guess that I can pick up 8. 8 pom-poms, so I'm going to write down 8. Just there, okay? 8. Okay, in 2 hands. Let's pop them there. What do you think? Do you think I've got more or fewer than 8? Let me pop them in a line so we can count them. Okay, help me to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, my last estimate was right. I should have stuck with that. 10. I could hold more pom-poms. Right, let's do one last one. Ladybirds. How many ladybirds do you think? Can you see the size of them? I put them there. How many do you think I can fit in one hand? 5. 5. I'm going to estimate 5. So write down 5. Okay. A big handful. They're a bit hard to pick up. Pop them there. Oh, how many? I wonder if you can count how many without, or if you know how many without counting. I put them in a pattern like that. It's a dice pattern. Well done, it's the pattern 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, my estimate was 5. And the answer was 4. Okay, so what I would like you to do today, now that you know what an estimate is to go off and find things around your house and pick up a handful or 2 hands, estimate how many you think you can see, write down your estimate, and then count them and check and see if you're right. Remember, I didn't get a single one right, so it's all right not to be right. It's just a bit of fun, okay? So you could pick up Cheerios or cornflakes if you've got some cereal. You could pick up a handful of blocks if you've got your toys. You could pick up anything, really. You could estimate how many socks you can pick up in one hand. Or how many, what else could you do? How many shoes you can pick up in one hand. It could be anything you like, okay? So have a go at estimating some different things. How many you think you can fit in your hand, or how many you can see when you pop them down on the floor. And then count them to see if you're right, okay? Have fun with it, okay? I'll see you all later. Bye-bye.